Some of the region's best and brightest high school students got an inside look at our judicial system. Over the past 2 days, the Erie County Bar Association has hosted a mock trial competition at the Erie County Courthouse. Matt Mathias was in the courtroom and has our story tonight. Matt.
Well, Jen, about 100 students from 6 regional high schools competed. And if it weren't for their young faces, you might just mistake them for actual attorneys based on their arguments. Imagine you're sitting in a courtroom for a trial. Witnesses are being questioned about the actions of a defendant, corroborating evidence, and giving in to disclosing information after being grilled by attorneys. But as arguments really start to hold their ground, you realize that these convincing arguments are coming from high school students who have practiced and researched for weeks to get ready for a mock trial competition.
The mock trial event here teaches a lot of the students definite qualities on time management and personal responsibility, and it really tasks you to digging into all the paperwork and all the statements and really close analysis and then formulating your argument on top of that.
Students directly took on the roles of attorneys, witnesses, and timekeepers as they acted out civil or criminal trials as both the prosecution and defense and pled their case to a jury, which consisted of Erie County Bar Association practicing attorneys and judges.
The level of commitment by these kids is really exceptional, for 17, 18, maybe even 19 years old, and the bravery it takes to get up in front of a mock jury, a mock judge, and all your friends and family watching. I really commend them for the time they spent, the preparation.
One of the teams competing is from Northwestern High School, and for some of the students, it was their first time ever in a courtroom. This was the first competition for the new coach of the mock trial team.
How you raise objections in the courtroom, how you craft your opening arguments and your questioning and your closing statements. So it's been a lot of fun getting to learn with them.
Teams that advance from this competition will compete in Harrisburg for a chance to represent Pennsylvania in the National High School Mock Trial Championship.
I was unsure how it was going to go, but it has been one of the best groups and experiences that I've had in my high school career.
Now, students didn't immediately hear the verdict after the trial, but they'll find out on Friday if their arguments held water in the eyes of the jurors. Sean and Jen.
All right, thank you, Matt.